Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hear your baby's heartbeat using a pocket fetal Doppler. This one is by Sonoline B. There's a few different brands out there, but this one's pretty popular. You need an ultrasound gel to use with this. So if you end up getting a used one, you can use this gel right here. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It's an aloe vera, actually a sunburn gel, but it works great. So you can find these usually on eBay for about $20, or maybe you can find one locally, like on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even like kids resale shops. Sometimes they'll have one. Now, doctors don't recommend these just because it tends to put new moms to be in a bit of a worry, like if they can't find the baby's heartbeat or if it sounds slower than average. But for us, these really are a great tool to have at home. It's pretty reassuring, especially in these early weeks whenever you can't quite feel your baby moving and you just want a little bit of reassurance that your baby's doing okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am actually filming in my kids' room using their bunk beds to kind of get a better overhead view. So please leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's get started. Okay guys, so you take your beautiful Doppler, and I got some lotion here, aloe gel. I always put it right on the thing. You can put it on your stomach and then kind of slather it around. To me, that gets a little messy. So I just put a little bit on the tip of the wand, I guess you call it. Then we'll turn it on. The volume's up all the way on this one. And once the gel's on there, you can hear that it gives feedback. So, here's my belly button. Whenever you are about 20 weeks, your uterus is up to your stomach. So if you're trying to find the heartbeat and you're only like a few weeks along, like maybe 9, 10, 12 weeks along, you're still going to have to go pretty low down towards your pubic bone. That noise is probably the placenta. And then there's the baby's heartbeat. And then some other noises you might hear whenever you're like first trying to find your baby. You're going to hear like a lot of swooshing. That's actually my heartbeat. That is not the baby. And then, you know, my baby is moving around. Again, you'll hear stuff like that. That is not the baby. Your baby's heartbeat is going to be really fast, and you're going to recognize it once you find it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.